Ram Narayan Ram. Today, we are sharing our experience with all of you the moment we met Mahaguruji. Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari ji was born into a Hindu family. His body was considered to be that of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself. It was in 1972 that we had the divine opportunity to have Mahaguru Balak Brahmachari Ji's Darshan holy site. This happened in a place in West Bengal, where our relatives insisted on taking us to meet Mahaguruji. When we reached, we saw a huge crowd gathered for his darshan. We stood far back in the line, and suddenly, something miraculous happened. A disciple of Mahaguruji appeared and asked, "Who is Shankar Sarkar here?" Hearing this, we initially remained silent, thinking they might be calling someone else. After a while, the disciple came directly to us and said, "Mahaguruji has called for you." We followed the disciple to meet Mahaguruji. He asked us to sit near him on the ground to his right. At that time, we were only 22 years old, young and somewhat impatient. Mahaguruji kept us seated there for 2 hours while he continued to give initiations to others. We tried to leave several times, but his trusted disciples ensured we stayed seated. Finally, Mahaguruji called us closer and embraced us warmly. That embrace was filled with such love and affection that it surpassed anything we had ever experienced, even from our own father. A lesson in true generosity. Mahaguruji then asked, "What do you do?" We replied that we were involved in business. At that moment, we thought he might ask for money, as many gurus are often believed to do. So, we took out our wallet, which was full of cash, and placed it before him. But to our surprise, Mahaguruji declined it, saying, "I don't need this money, you will need it yourself." He advised, "No matter how much you earn, keep it with you. Use only what is necessary, and save the rest for a meaningful purpose." At that time, we didn't understand his vision or philosophy. But today, the money we saved following his guidance is being used for spreading his teachings and organizing programs in his name. The gift of the seed mantra. Mahaguruji opened our eyes to the truth about life and society. It was from him that we received the seed mantra, Ram Narayan Ram, which brought about unimaginable positive changes in our life. Ram Narayan Ram is complete in itself. The first Ram signifies the sky, the infinite universe, and the supreme creator. Narayan represents all the stars and planets in this vast cosmos. The second Ram represents all living beings, humans, animals, plants, particles of dust, and all life forms. The essence of Ram Narayan Ram. From the essence of the mantra Ram Narayan Ram, countless living beings have been created. The stars, planets, and constellations in the sky are all filled with life, consciousness, activity, and creation. These celestial bodies experience thirst, hunger, sorrow, pain, and challenges just like we do. Similarly, within our own minds, countless thoughts arise. Among these, our inner wisdom intervenes, guiding us and pointing out our mistakes. However, sometimes we listen to it, and sometimes we don't. This leads to errors and consequences. By chanting Ram Narayan Ram, we can unite everyone and foster peace, equality, inner happiness, self-awareness, self-confidence, self-love, and harmony with nature. It inspires us to walk the true path of nature. A call to action. So, we invite all of you to connect with this seed mantra. Embrace it and transform your life with its profound wisdom and positivity.